guys, check this out, right? You've got your classic hotel door, you got your handle, and then you've got this deadbolt thing, right? So they'll never even get to the point to use one of these things if you just do this simple countermeasure of stuffing a towel right here. Even if they know how to do this and have one of these tools, they'll never get to the point where they're here because they can't open the damn door. And again, you know, it's just a very simple countermeasure, and you don't even have to worry about this thing. However, if they did get to that point, one thing you can do here is put a piece of Gorilla tape or 100-mile-an-hour tape. You don't want any slack in it. You want that thing as tight as you can to the door. It's about 90% effective. We've tried it with painter's tape. That doesn't work. Gorilla tape or 100-mile-an-hour tape. But again, don't even let them get to that point. You know, stuff a towel right here, and they'll never get that point.
I want to show you guys something. This is our Commando knife. Inspired by the Vietnam SOG knife. Whether it's for hunting, camping, or emergency survival, this knife is built to handle it all. And talking about the handle, look at this bad boy. We got the stars and stripes on the handle for America. We got a glass breaker for any rescue situations you might be in. A durable 6.875 blade. It's the only knife you'll ever need once you get your hand on this bad boy. And guess what? This knife is free just for watching this video. All you have to do is cover the shipping by clicking in the link in the description. But we're only giving away 200 of these Commando knives. It's backed by a 1-year satisfaction guaranteed. So get to the link in the description and get yours now. Hurry up and get this bad boy. Oi, back to the video.
Let me caveat that by saying this. A lot of hotel rooms in foreign countries don't have these, especially an older hotel or motel, they have doorknobs. So you could bypass the doorknob pretty simply, right? And most of the times they'll reinforce it with this or with the chain, all right? The chain is easy. A little pair of bolt cutters, you could set up wire snips, we'll usually bust those. So these are all different tools for the toolbox and different techniques to mitigate any bypass techniques bad guys might be using. So just remember, just do an assessment of your locking mechanism. Remember what Joe and I are talking about here today, and then apply the proper technique to counter any type of entry.
All right, guys, now that we showed you how that device works, Dale's going to demonstrate very simply how to defeat this thing. So when you check into a hotel room, normally there's 3 different kind of towels. You got your little face cloth right here, and then you got your bath towel. And you always have that middle towel that you really don't know what the hell to do with it. So Dale's going to demonstrate this is so simple, and it works. All he's going to do is roll that thing up nice and tight. And the reason you're using this particular towel is the bath towel is too damn big to fit in the door handle, and the face cloth is too small. So all he's going to do is roll that thing up, and he's going to jam it down inside the door handle. That's it, guys. That wire that comes underneath the door, now it cannot get to this handle to pull down. There's absolutely no way that device is going to work. Now, check out this door. If you notice, there's not a rocker arm. On a lot of big heavy doors like this, there's normally a rocker arm. Another thing you can do is take off your belt, right? If you're wearing a belt, a rigger's belt, whatever kind, and tie it around the rocker arm. That means the door will not be able to move, okay? And you basically weave it through. We're going to do another video on that because this door doesn't have one. But we will be making another video on that particular technique.